Welcome to this unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 Black Special Bundle Edition. It's a Black Friday special on Amazon, around about £329. Let's have a look about what we get them. So the box comes in like a retail presentation box, so you can see the camera at the top, some details of the spec at the front, so 12 megapixels, 4K 60 frames, waterproof down to 10mm and 1080p live streaming. On the side we get an idea of some of the contents in this. So we've got a camera, battery, some mount parts and a charging cable. So what I'm trying to do is see what the parts are that you get as part of the special bundle. I know what I'm expecting in here. I'm trying to see if there's any indication on the box. Nothing on the back at the moment on there. And on the side here, general spec details. Again, apart from just here at the top, you can see the extra parts we get in there. So this is a special bundle in there. We get the mini selfie stick, a head holder, an extra battery and a SD card as well as part of it. So not all of these are parts of the normal GoPro purchase. This is a special bundle one. Let's have a look inside then. So first thing we're going to do is break the seal on the bottom here. And pop it open from here. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of the box then. It has been a little bit stiff, so the box is broken a little bit. It does seem to be a case of pulling through and coming out, so you end up with the empty retail box with the ladder holder demonstrating the plastic bit at the top. And then this is what we get inside. Hold that up so you can see the GoPro on the top, on with the clip on there, and then there's a box of parts here as well. So let's get the GoPro unclip. We just unscrew from here. It comes out, GoPro lifts off. Put that to one side out of the way, screw there, and then we have a clip on here as well, which we should just be able to unclip and then slide off by pushing in here, and that comes off, seals back up. We'll leave that on. That's sort of like a handy little holder thing if you want to hold it on a desk or something like that. It's not really a robust stand, but it is useful from a display point of view. And we have a look inside the actual box. So some instructions there on how to take the camera off, which we just followed through. And we can open up this way around. Small advert for the GoPro Plus subscription, which gives you damage replacement on your camera and unlimited cloud upload of your GoPro footage. Instructions again of how to take your camera on and off the stand, how to download the app for your appropriate phone in there, how to charge it, and basic operations of it all in there. Information about getting help from GoPro on that. GoPro sticker, nice thick manual. Let's just see how many different languages we've got in there. Plenty of different languages. So the English section is 1, 2, 3. About 5 pages long. And it all seems to be the basic information on safety, warranty, regulations and things like that. So nothing really in there about actually using the camera. As in most modern devices now, you'll get a lot of that online or from within the app. And have a look inside here then. So there we have the SD card with the adapter for plugging it into different types of SD, micro SD, SDHC, SDXC to SD adapter. One battery in there, 2 batteries. So you get one with the camera basic, an extra one with the kit, the special bundle. Charging cable, a sticky clamp, great if you've got a fixed place you want to do it, or you've got some equipment that you just want to fasten it onto. The 3M pads tend to be really good for stickiness. You stick that on, clip the camera in, it's not likely to move unless you are really aggressive with it. Here we have the head strap clipped in there, and that goes around your head. Camera clicks on the front. Again, very good if you want to do some running or some extreme sports. Clip that over the top, and with the new Hypermotion Hypersmooth 2 in the camera, you'll get a lot of the motion removed from that. And then the final thing, just move the box now out of the way, is the selfie stick. It's a little mini selfie stick. Camera goes in there again. This has the ability to open up, so it can act as a mini tripod. Close it up, selfie stick. Lots of different options on that one. Again, just useful, nice little add-on to make you be able to use the camera in different situations. Let's move the packaging out the way then, have a look at what we've got. Put the instructions to one side. We have the main GoPro Hero 8 Black camera, a tripod clip stand on it, screw to hold it on, charging cable, the head strap holder, mini selfie stick, 2 batteries, a sticky clamp for the camera, and a 32 gig SD card for the camera. So that's everything you get. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. I'll be looking at doing starting your Hero 8 video as soon as I can as well.